Good afternoon and happy new year. We have a very cold air mass in place today as the winds are cranking up this afternoon. There are your temperatures about as warm as they get right about now. And if anything, a lot of spots dropping back into the teens in the next several hours. Here come the winds, already at times gusting over 30 miles per hour, and those will continue through this evening. That's going to make it feel so much colder, more like the single numbers above and below zero through about sunset. And then all of us see wind chills dipping sub-zero tonight into early tomorrow morning. So a bitter cold start on the way for Friday. These are your actual temperatures under clear skies tonight. Negative temperatures, Plymouth, Whitefield, Berlin. Some spots in the North Country could be close to 10 to even 15 degrees below zero. Around zero in the Lakes region, down to about Concord, should be about 1 or 2 degrees by tomorrow morning. Upper single numbers and lower teens for areas closer to the coastline. And then tomorrow, the wind still active, but not quite as busy. Just enough wind to make it feel about 10 degrees colder on Friday afternoon. Sun to increase in clouds, highs in the lower 20s, but with the wind feeling more like the teens. This dip in the jet stream really has been so persistent over our area lately, and that keeps the chillier weather pattern going through the remainder of the holiday weekend. And there is the chance we squeeze out a little bit more snow before the weekend is over. It's not going to come during the daylight hours of Saturday. No problems for folks traveling or heading north to do some skiing and snowboarding, but rather it's Saturday night we get brushed by some light snow showers. This could bring some scattered coatings of snow to our area. Gone Sunday morning, but some residual mountain flurries and snow showers possible on Sunday for folks heading up north to enjoy some skiing. Otherwise, pretty quiet weather. Raining strong through early next week. Look at the temperatures, though, well below average for early January. In fact, one of the colder days we have in the next 7 comes next Monday. Morning temperatures near zero. Afternoon highs in just the teens and a bit of a breeze making it feel colder. Monday night, another round of some very light snow moves through. No major systems. And then by the middle of next week, some signs of a pattern shift as the temperatures turn a bit milder and really more seasonable for Tuesday and Wednesday.